gas in it. Bro passed me the keys to the scat, I did the dash in it. My car got a fast engine. Yo, bitch, you be ass kissing. Take her home, stabbing and drop.
What's going on YouTube? It's brick.gotkeyz back with another video, and we back with the modification series. I'm about to do a modification that I've been wanting to do to the Trackhawk for a long time. It's how the Trackhawk sits. You see all these fingers you can put in here? We fixing that today. We changing up the springs, we're making it sit lower. I want it to sit, I want this to damn near sit like right here, like 2-3 finger gaps, because it's a fish right now. You can, you know, and then the front, it's 3, 4. You could fit about 4 comfortably. I hope it goes down to 2 or 1, and then the back, I say get this down to 3. We got the tools. Just bought a jack, got the tool set, and then we bought the jack stands to go with it. So don't worry, the car is not falling on me. I'm gonna still be able to make videos for y'all. Before we go put the springs on, we gotta see if it's gonna make it pull a little bit harder with the springs. So I gotta get y'all before. Hold on, let me put them dry modes on there. Y'all don't wanna see that. Feeling good. I ain't gonna lie, that leg maker still, you know, still doing what it gotta do.
Definitely hearing that whine.
Like the last video, I feel like y'all like seeing stuff like this. Y'all like seeing me do actual modifications. I feel like next, I might move on to the interior. Let me know what y'all want to see though. If y'all want to see the interior, then I might around and put the stars in there. And let me know if I should do a design in there too. Ambient lighting definitely gotta get done too. And the dashboard needs to be fixed. But I think I'm gonna wait on that. I don't know.
We got a 7-mile wide body in here with us. Yeah, yeah. Tripping today. Hold on.
Mind y'all, we in rear-wheel
Hold
drive.
on.
We not in all-wheel drive right now. Pop still be in.
Get out the way.
Get out the way so I can do a pull.
What are you doing? Nah, shit to me. The Hellcat make the engine fart. It's cat but the dog when I'm making bark. You looking at? Say ooh. Big beanie head. Fuck wrong with that nigga.
I don't know why he pulled up on the side of the road. Pull up on the side of me like you was gonna do something. Nigga, I don't give a f if you were old, nigga. You still can get it too, nigga.
Tell him put that shit up.
That bitch ain't supercharged, nigga. Don't even think pull up on the side of me. It's kind of feeling good today. You can tell this is a rear-wheel drive, but it's still snatching how it's supposed to. Alright y'all, we get back when we get the spring compressor. We got a spring tensioner remover and we got the actual spring compressor, so hopefully we all good. We on the way to the secret location to go put the springs on. Alright y'all, we got the lug nuts off the first wheel. We're gonna start off at the front. This wheel ain't been off in a minute. Okay, now first wheel off. Oh, excuse me, I'm having a bad hair day today. I have no idea how to do it. I'm just winging it. So let's see how this goes. I'm gonna start by taking this bolt off right here. It's a strut bolt. Okay, that's loose. I'm gonna put the jack under the control arm, drop this, and see what happens. We gotta do the 13s on the shock tower. Alright y'all, we got the first one out. Now we gotta put the spring compressor on there, take the spring off, and get the new spring put on there. You gotta work it down evenly. Once you feel like it's compressed enough, then you can take this right here and loosen it. Successfully got it loose the hood rig way. Okay, now spring out of there. Put the new one on, the new spring. Very nice, very nice. I'm showing y'all guys, I can work on my car myself. I don't need a mechanic. Sometimes I just get lazy and don't feel like working on my own stuff. We got the front all buckled up. We got to go ahead and put the wheel on and see where it's sitting at. Hopefully we get a good drop.
5, 6. Oh yeah.
He trying to make it seem like it's dramatic yourself. Nigga, I can't tell the difference. Nigga don't even know what you looking at.
Bro, shut your ass up. Look at this nigga YouTube.
Bro, this nigga like the cinnamon man.
Oh fuck! Oh my god. This Bowser.
Feel like the number 2 pencil, black you see.
Yo, big body Gruber looking at you like the Goombas.
You feel like Shaq, Scooby-Doo, nigga.
Chat, look at this nigga retwist.
Oh
Wild body don't believe in retwists. He grimy as hell. That's a striker boy. Damn!
I'm working, nigga.
What we doing? What we doing?
We dropping this side. We all set to drop it. See where it's sitting. You can tell it's lower, right?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah,
It's
chat.
settle yet. When it's settled, it's gonna be way lower.
Five.
You can tell the difference already.
Man, that for sure look different.
Put the back ones on. Bro, who do we think he talking to? He just over there just
Angry as hell. You the angry bird. You about to do the back?
Yeah, got the old spring out. I didn't even record the process of this. I'm about to just put the new one back in. I guess I'll record the other side since I didn't record this side. All right, guys, I'm on the last one. I gotta undo it by hand because my drill went dead, but I found the best way to do it is just loosen the cradle bolts and then the spring just popped right out literally. And then the shock, I forgot, you gotta loosen the shock. This one bolt right here, and then there's another one right there. You just loosen that and it just pops right out. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when it's popping out. We dropped the cradle. Like I said, the spring just come right out. So it's not really much you gotta do, but just put the spring back in. So I'm gonna show y'all me throwing the spring back in. So we about to put the spring right back in. Y'all seen how it came out? I don't know why it's harder to put it in and it's a smaller spring, but I think we gotta have some of my wild body stand on it so we can get it in there.
Oh yeah, B-Rat. Oh yeah, that going in for show.
Yeah, y'all see that?
That going in for show.
It's 15. It's for show up there.
Them bitches,
But all right,
yeah.
I'm about to button it back together and then we're gonna get it drop down on the ground and see how it look. The final stretch, we dropping it and seeing what's the ride height gonna look like. Even though we gotta drive it around and let it settle, it's still gonna give us a good idea of what we did. Hopefully we ain't do this modification for no reason. It's a little bit lower, but it's gonna have to settle. It look like about stock right now. There's a big in there. My first impression, it dry the same, but I'm about to go fill it up with gas and go get y'all a real drive for real. You see we on E. I'm about to throw a 50 ball in this. I ain't gonna lie, this car is so bad on gas and the gas is crazy right now. We put up to the gas station, it's looking good. Oh yeah, it's definitely lower now. What y'all think? Nigga, I'm pumping gas. What the is you talking about, nigga? Yeah, you dropping food and shit. Yeah, this bitch sitting way lower. 2 fingers in the back. Let me see how many fingers in the front. 2 fingers in the front. Yeah, 2 and 2. I want this to damn near sit like right here, like 2-3 finger gaps, cause it's a fish right now. You could, you know, 4. You could fit about 4 comfortably. All right, y'all, we on the freeway. It's still driving the same, but I do need a wheel alignment, cause mind you, I did loosen the whole cradle. Let me show y'all. Well, it's still going down the road straight, but it's like the steering wheel turned a little. Well, nah, it's not. But hold on, it's still pat. Hold on, it's in eco mode. Can it cut up better? I might burn on 1700. What he be doing? That nigga.
Oh
That nigga be doing some crazy.
This is how I like to drive, bro.
He think this gonna make his car go faster by turning the steering wheel like this.
Man.
That, if anything, that's gonna make that lose traction. But we gotta go take the ring T spring compressor back. I shouldn't need that anytime soon, so that's why I just ran it. All right, y'all, we all done with the springs, so it's time to go have fun. We just pulled up to the car meet. I ain't gonna lie, I don't think we're gonna be able to get in. They got everybody over here just doing BS. I don't think we're getting in here. It's all police over here. It's closing in 40 minutes. If they try to make us pay, I'm not going in there, so y'all better be glad with the cars that I showed y'all already. I'm not seeing nothing too crazy. This me look weak as hell. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So I'm gonna get y'all some more exciting content. Try to get y'all some rollers or something that is fresh, a little lower. Trackhawk.
You already paid for parking? Did you pay for parking yet?
No.
Okay, it's $20 to park.
All right, let me out. This me.
Oh, $20.
I don't want to.
You sound dumb as hell.
Oh
no.
Appreciate it. All right, y'all, we made it to the car meet. We snuck in this bitch. We ain't paying shit, nigga. We ain't paying shit, nigga. Look, and we got the old ZOC. Bro, I'm not recording the whole time, bro. We snuck in this bitch, nigga. Fuck that meat, nigga. Fuck paying What's that word? All right. Yeah. What's going on? You all right? Yep. Great. You all right? Finna take somebody. I ain't gonna. We for sure. Hey, we for sure gotta make somebody crash out. I want to see one burnout at least. I ain't gonna lie, I'm glad I didn't pay for this. What's that word? You good?
Oh my God. How's it going, bro?
Good. I ain't gonna lie, this meat was real like weak as hell. If I would have paid for this, I would have been trying to. We got the track on the grass looking aggressive as hell. Good lower tracky. Tracky J! You done bumped into some action. 206s in the CTSV. Let me hear some wine or something.
Man.
Like,
Okay, then.
that's so crazy. I ain't gonna lie, I do miss my vid.
Yo,
No.
boys come to Woodward.
Go to Woodward?
Yeah, right now.
All right, big.
Hey,
I go.
it's up to you, content.
Where you guys going?
Where we going?
Shit, we can go to Woody. Come on.
We going to Woody.
We going to Woody. Let me have her.
Meet me at Woody.
Meet me at Woody.
I'm gonna see you at Woody.
Woodward?
Yeah. This nigga tell me say.
Ask him he going right now.
Hey, you going right now? He said yeah.
Man, I'm about to follow y'all. We doing content today. I know y'all love me, bro. Y'all miss me. I'm coming back track, you know. I'm being consistent. I wasn't really consistent with the vet, but shit, I guess the time just wasn't ready yet. Me and track be back in consistent mode. So if I ever stop posting, then y'all just gotta get on my and tell me like, yeah, it's, what the fuck you doing? Lock in. As soon as I put the camera on, they want to get the tripping. Follow me. I need content. Go! These niggas gonna tell me, yeah, let's go to Woody and then get behind me.
Man.
I need content. I want, yes, crash that.
Man,
Yep,
dog.
crash it. Trip. He just got a number. Yeah. Yeah. No. That's, yeah, E-Bot. What's that word? So we made it to Woody. We in the tracky lower dude. This V hard as hell. She locked it? Damn, she about to call the boys.
Somebody hit her.
Oh, no way. No. No. All right, y'all, we back with the Lawrence Spring video, day 2. We got my little cousin right here. She ain't never been in the track before. We about to go ahead and get her reaction. You supposed to act surprised. No, ain't no redo. We ain't doing no fake reactions. This is all real. She just a real street nigga. Like, ooh, look at the boys right there. Put my seatbelt on. Got my uncle out here feeling good as hell with the top down. Well, you finna like do some donuts or something? Like,
Not right now.
okay, any listen to bag, I scared. Come on, take me for a ride. We in a drop top today.
Back to back, I'm gonna need an extra key.
Oh yeah. Oh, show this. We got my other cousin over here. He ain't never brought in the track either. Yeah, it's that. Oh my. So you gotta put your seatbelt on. Let's do it. All right, y'all. We on day 3 of the Lower Spring video. We got some guys over here doing some donuts and stuff. Too much going on, but I'm about to try to slide my. What's going on? You good? Yeah, I'm good, man. They doing too much. Yeah. Damn. Doing too much. Yep. Damn. Oh shit! They doing too much. Yup. Let me hear that. Yup. Pat the. Yeah. Let me hear that. Do a burno. To that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it's always a 5-7. Y'all get too close. Get that shit over there. Get that shit over there. Keep that bullshit over there. Launch that. Launch this. Damn. Okay now. Okay, that's what we doing. Yeah. Okay now.
It's real too.
Real dog shit. Yeah.
Video shit.
Yeah.
Money on the back.
Yeah. Going on.
And tell them this ain't that moissanite shit either.
Yep. We gotta have this busted.
Thank you.
Yep. Ooh! That bitch weak as hell. 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 Yeah. Oh! It's day 3 of the Lower and Spring video. And as y'all can see, we in the Trackhawk, we in the rain. We gotta go to Bill Tire, get alignment, because I don't know if y'all noticed, but when you change anything on the suspension, you have to get alignment. So we're on our way to go get alignment, and I still have to get them rollers. So rollers, and then end the video off. But for now, we'll go to Bill Tire and then see how much it hit me for alignment. And before I drop it off to him, I gotta make sure I put it in valet mode. They thought they was finna get a track on rear key? Absolutely not, because I know they gonna try to drive my car, but shit, it's in valet mode now. All right, y'all, we pull up the Bill Tire. We're about to run in there and see what they say. So they about to pull it in and get the readings of the car. I'm trying not to record the people, but I'm gonna try to get y'all a clip of the Trackhawk getting alignment so y'all don't think I'm lying. So they're getting alignment, looking very nice. I'm not gonna bore y'all with this. It's really nothing for me to show y'all, so I'm gonna just get back with y'all when we done. So here's the red. That's before, that's now. Everything is back in the green. It's not cambered as much as it was, which is perfect. It's sitting perfect. Got my baby right. So let's go ahead and get up out of here. They just ran my pockets though. Good little 200 for alignment, but I got alignments for yours, so I ain't tripping. We merging on the freeway. I would do a pull for y'all, but my dumb forgot to take the valet mode off, and you can't do it on the freeway. But we can still see like how is it riding? Like, is it riding better? Oh yeah, we back to let it drive down the street by itself again. Yeah, it's feeling good. I ain't gonna lie, it feel better. Like, it feel like an OEM Trackhawk. I'm so glad with this mod. Like, this modification, perfect. Y'all go get E-Box springs. I don't know if it's any other springs for the Trackhawks, but I had a hard time finding them. But Amazon, shit, it was the first thing that popped up when I typed in lowering springs. So just go get those. If you got a Trackhawk, I highly recommend these. I highly recommend this modification. I haven't seen too many videos of somebody installing them themselves. I think this might be the first video of somebody installing the Trackhawk springs by themselves. It's very doable. You see, I did them in my backyard. So I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all roller, and then I'm gonna end the video off. I don't know when I'm doing the roller, but shit, I gotta do what I can by myself for right now. So I'll get back with y'all in a minute.